are talking about nature. Okay? And after you go. So you find a lot of elements because pine cone, mushroom. So they give 1 minute. And after. Resting okay, perfect. So this is a moment. Together we create a semicircle, okay? You create a semicircle. And write down what you listed. Okay, so I carry on with the second one. The second one, we have. When the other part of the if it's a leaves, if it's a grass, if it's a flower.
Olea, con las manos atrás, porque no tiene que tocar nada. Very good.
Good.
Very nice.
Which was not allowed. So you escaped the one.
Yeah.
Okay, but you displayed to touch flowers, for example, and after they come back to the same.
This one is very, very different.
Very, very.
I know. That's very nice.
Yeah.